Good morning, children. I'm Faisal, your social science teacher. Today, I'm back with a new topic. In last class, we discussed about block 6. Okay? Yes. In that block, we discussed about animals, caring for animals, the importance of the need to care for animals. Some animals are endangered and we need to care. We must protect our animals. From where? Yes, from some hunters, poachers. Okay? And after that, we discuss about tigers, importance of tiger. First, we discuss how tiger is important for us. After that, we discuss how can we protect tigers from hunters and poachers, and what are the measures we can take to protect these animals. That all we discussed in our last block 6. Today we going to our next block 7. All of you ready? Yes. Me and you all, we live in where? Yes. All this earth. In environment. Okay, is it correct? We all lives in a environment. Okay? Yes. To live in this environment, we need many things. What is that? Yes, we need good water. Yes, and air. Okay? Yes, to live in this wonderful earth, we need good water. Is it correct? Yes, and air and many things. Okay? Besides of this, instead of this, we cannot live in this earth. Okay? Yes. In this block, we are going to discuss about some important things that we need in our environment. Okay? What's our block name? Yes. Pollution in the environment. That's the problem? Yes. Our environment, we all lives in a environment. Is it correct? Yes. That environment is now in a dangerous situation. What? It polluted with many things. Water, air, sound, different things that makes our surroundings as polluted. In this block 7, we are going to discuss about different kinds of pollution. Okay? Yes. Do you think this kind of pollution make any problem to us? Yes. These polluted things, polluted water, polluted air, that all makes different problem to humans and animals and plants. Okay? Different categories of our earths are facing different problems due to what? Different kind of pollutions. Okay? Yes. And first, we are going to discuss about water pollution. Today, we all going to discuss about water pollution. All of you know that water is a important thing to us. Okay? Yes. What are the needs of water for us? Yes, for drinking, for bathing, for watering, for human being, and plants, animal also needs what? Water. Because we can say water is a precious one. It's an important one where in the environment. Water is a main thing in an environment. Without water we cannot live. Like us animals, plants, all needs good water. Okay? Yes. Look at this picture. You can see two pictures. What do you see in this picture? What? Yes. First one? Yes. A bottle with a pure water. Okay, is it correct? What second one? A glass of water. What is condition? Yes. How is it? Is it good one? No. It's a dirty. It mixed with many polluted things, which is good for us. What? Yes, the pure water. Okay? Yes. We need for our daily purpose a pure and good water. Then only we can live. Okay? Yes. Now we going to discuss about what are the different water pollutions. What are the different water pollution? How is our water changing to a polluted one? Yes. All of you ready? Yes. To discuss that about water pollution, all of you take your workbook. Workbook. Block 7, S1, page number 39. All of you take. Yes. In that 39 page, we can see question 1. What's that? We can see a table. What we do going? We going to read that table. In that table, we can see different sources of water and that used for and polluted by and the causes. All of you ready? We are going to read that table. Yes. First, source of water. We have in our earth, we have different types of source of waters. First one, community tap, used for drinking. That community tap is used for drinking or bathing. Then how this community tap polluted? Polluted by chemicals from factories into the rivers, which is a source of tap water. And what it causes? Stomach problems. Is it correct? Yes. Next, rivers. Another source of water. Rivers. Drinking, bathing. We use river water for drinking, bathing, washing, utensils and clothes. Next, polluted by garbage, chemicals from factories, animal waste, festival flowers, leaves, detergents. Okay? Yes. It cause, this polluted water may cause stomach problems, skin diseases, eye infections. Then next water source of water, ponds, used for drinking, bathing, washing utensils and clothes, and polluted by festival flowers, leaves, animal waste, soap, detergents, and it causes stomach problem, skin disease, eye infections. A last source of water, private tanker used for drinking, bathing, washing utensil, clothes, and polluted by chemicals from factories into rivers, which is a source of tank. It causes stomach problems, skin diseases. Okay. Yes, these are the some sources of water. In this table, we discussed some source of water. After that, we discuss what are the uses for this. Okay? Yes. After that, we discuss about what are the problems we affect from that polluted. Okay? Yes. Which are the sources? Different sources. We discuss about different water sources, river, ponds, like that. Okay? Yes. We use these waters for bathing, for drinking, and many other purposes. Okay? Yes. And due to our activities, wastes from factories, some natural maybe leaves, festival flowers, due to that what happens? Our water sources are polluted. Due to this, using this kind of polluted water, it may affect our body. How? Yes, we will get different diseases, stomach pain, stomach diseases, eye infection, and it will affect our skin. Okay, like that many diseases may get from where this, from this polluted water. Okay, yes, nowadays our surroundings water sources are all are polluted, these kind of wastes. These wastes we can may divide into two, maybe man-made polluted things and maybe some natural. Okay. So, it is our responsibility to protect, care our water resources. Then only we get a pure water. Is it correct? Yes. Is it needed? Yes, it's very urgent. It's very important to all to get a good and a pure water. To get that, we all must work for protection of our water sources. Okay? All of you do this? Yes, good. Water is a very useful and it's a precious to all. Is it? Yes. But today, now all water resources are polluted. Yes, polluted with some harmful bacteria. What is bacteria? Bacteria is a type of biological thing. Okay, is the harmful bacteria that will affect our body. Okay, is that will affect human and animals and plants also. Okay, yes, these harmful bacteria may cause to some diseases. Okay, yes, and in water we can see many living things. This polluted water will affect all aquatic. What is means aquatic? The word aquatic means the all living things. We can call aquatic. Okay, we can see different many things in water. Okay, like land, like air. In water also we can see different animals, different living things that we can call aquatic. When water polluted, it will affect the living things in that. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. These are the some problems about What? Water pollution. All of ready? Yes. Next, we can check your today's homework. Right? Yes, one. Okay? Yes. Page number 39. In this first question we discussed. Okay? Second question. What advices will you give the people in the picture and why? Write one way to prevent water pollution. Looking this picture, what advice you give these people, and one way to prevent water solution also you can add here. All of you do this? Yes, I know. Yes, this is all today about water pollution. That's all today. Have a nice day.